Hey guys, it's Marley, and today we are at
right now?
Walmart. We're at Walmart. Yes.
It's gonna run out of space.
Walmart. We are at Walmart because Delaney's saying Walmart, and we are going to get a fidget cube.
Yeah, we're getting a fidget cube.
Yeah, we're getting a fidget cube.
And for your birthday.
No, my birthday's in. Oh,
It's okay. It's your birthday.
Yeah. You're right. Oh, we're running into.
It doesn't work. I'm trying to hold my coffee. It's making me wet.
There's JoJo Siwa stuff right there.
Okay, here we go.
I am on Musically. If you do. Yeah, I think.
I can say.
Toys!
How about I get out?
It's hard to control.
I'll get out of it.
Down that way or next to
I think it's maybe down here. We are having trouble here because we don't know where the fidget cubes are. We forget. But we're still gonna get it. I'm on Musically, which is this is this app called Musically, and Delaney. Oh, we found them. There's only like one left. Fidget cube. Which fidget cubes should I get? What fidget
Getting her a
cubes?
fidget cube is for a present that I told her I'd get her a while ago.
I think I like this one. I think I like this one, guys. I think I like this one, Dad. The pink one. I'm on Musically, which is this app, and if you know JoJo Siwa, I followed her.
What, Lainey? Doesn't say what goes for $1.50.
That is so cute. That is so cute. It's like a little video game. So
Lainey,
Look at
Lainey,
this.
you can get something that's like.
Look at this.
yeah, that's Max.
This is Max. They have Max. I just want to get Max.
I don't know, maybe. A lot of people got their fidget cubes. So, Dad, can I get the pink one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I'm wondering what this is.
Where did you put the fidget
It's right
cube?
here.
Oh, can I hold it?
Well, it's $1.50.
My very first
wanna know what
fidget
this is.
cube.
All right, let's go, Lainey. You can get something in the aisle.
Delaney is jealous. Ugh. Minecraft! I love Minecraft! I play Minecraft. My name is Alina, and I'm half girl and half zombie. Chica? Is that Chica? Oh, that just looks like Chica. It's from this Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh!
Yeah, those things are like $15 more. Oh, okay. Whoa.
Bye!